What's up guys, I'm at the Volkswagen again next to the awesome Passat R-Line. Today we have something new from the Volkswagen and it is a T-Roc. So we're gonna do a review. This car just arrived yesterday and there's another one on the parking lot as well, as you can see over there. Still not registered for the test ride, should be in a week. And I'm gonna see if I can do a test ride for you guys. So let's dig into the new T-Roc. So guys, this is the new T-Roc. This is the design. Equipment, there's two packages. This is the base and there's the higher. I will write the name down because I can't remember it now. Although I did go through the spec, and as you can see, the front, the top spec has LED around and LED lights. This one has halogen. This is the blinker and maybe LED just daytime running lights. The car camp comes standard with the parking sensors on the front and on the back. This is sort of a crossover, like a urban SUV. Aluminium on the bottom, hard plastic cover on the sides. Interesting intake, as you can see, only 3 holes here and one on the bottom there. The car looks pretty nice. The design is sleek. I think it's an urban design masterpiece in a way. It came from Volkswagen. These are 17-inch alloy wheels. I'm gonna head inside. The car comes with the lane assist on the top, rain sensors, as you can see. Has a lot of standard equipment. So I'm gonna get in the front immediately. This is the low package, so this is cloth and cloth seats. Seats are not so much sculpted. I would say Volkswagen is maybe saving a bit on it, and this is pretty much hard plastic. Despite the good design, some chrome here, just feels plastic a bit. There's chrome here. Let's sit inside. Inside you have familiar Volkswagen steering wheel, which is quite nice quality. Has commands for volume, cruise, and radar, and phone, and options in the middle screen menu, and over here Speedometer is a classic. I must say, this is a really quality big touchscreen that you get now, but the materials are kind of just all plastic. Even on the top, I guess Volkswagen was saving on some parts so they can add more safety features. Now on the bottom there is no here anything that's opening like a smaller glove compartment. There is here a deep space. As you can see my hand, this is rubber, so you can put your phone here. You have a 12-volt socket here. This is not a cigarette lighter, so you can see. So I guess Volkswagen is again anti-smoking. You get a standard AC. I'm sorry for the sun. I mean for the bright light. You get the standard AC. Now the screen is pretty good. It's pretty responsive, as you can get in the other Volkswagen cars. You get a decent sound. You have radio here. You have the menu. Everything like in the other cars, where you can. And it's a fast respond radio. I'm not gonna get into that. You have in my other videos. You get a standard key in the base model. Here you have auto off, parking sensors, your hazards, and over here you have 2 USBs so you can charge your phones. Interesting, you have a parking brake that's electronic and auto hold option. Some space here, some sort of cup holders, and you have a armrest that is extendable, has levels, and there's a space, but I would say for a small bottle it's not too deep. I think they couldn't handle all of this a lot better. This is the door side. Of course you have a CD SD card. No AC. I think this is the early model. Of course this is a petrol car, so a gasoline car. Over here, I'm not sure if this is some sort of cover that was not removed from the factory, or was there any damage? I don't think so, but probably they forgot to remove that part. AC vertical and horizontal on the sides. Pretty familiar design. It looks and reminds us of the new Polo. On the top you have a mirror, but no light on the top. You have lights over here. No LED lights. I guess maybe just in the base model, I'm not sure, because they don't have the top trim. No glasses compartment. There is passenger airbag warning on the top here. Nice small mirror. Would prefer with a thinner bezel, but it's fine like this as well. Let's get on the back. I am way forward. These are the manual seats. I can like tilt a bit, still comfortable. So, but I'm gonna purposely leave just a notch more space for myself because I'm tall. Of course, I do have a lot of space for my head, as you can see. There's enough room, and car has good visibility, although the windows are. This is short, but you can see the hood. It does give you that feeling that SUV does some sort of safety. You're a little bit uplifted. So let's get on the back seat. Now this is all in one part. So I believe this folds all the way down. There's a nice chrome piece that extends from the top. No chrome on the bottom. And you get a chrome roof racks. You get the antenna as well. Now these are the doors. A bit different material on the back, also plastic. There's our covers here for mud, and as you can see, the space in the back. I'm gonna try sitting in. So remember, I've pushed the seat even more way back so I can have more comfort. Yes, my seats, my knees are touching the seat, but they're not. They are sculpted like they go inside here. So I'm touching the seat, but they're not in the way. So if I went a little bit forward, if you're an average person, a tall person would have enough knee space on the back. For the headroom, this is the headroom. I'm touching. I cannot really extend. I'm really out of average, but average person should have no problem on the back. The seats are, I would say, comfortable, but I would love for my taste to be if they were more tilted, just a little bit more back. Over here you have a cup holders for passengers in the back. You have a ski hole if you're going on a trip for the winter breaks or winter season. You get the AC on the back as well. You get a 12-watt socket charger. But this is interesting. This is if you're putting your foot here. There's a fifth passenger in the middle. Although this seat is so small, I wouldn't really try fitting a fifth passenger in the back, but if it's really necessary, you could. So you can see this kind of pattern is completely different than this one that's smooth. That's an interesting piece. The windows are all electric. Car doesn't have contact, but I believe the windows go all the way down because of this big piece. Might be wrong. On the top you have also lights that are not LED for some reason. Volkswagen decided to save some money here, but despite all of that, I think this car looks really nice. It is spacious and it comes with a really low price for a Volkswagen. I'm gonna link the price on the bottom because I just don't know it from my head right now. Going to the trunk space. Now I really like this aerodynamic spoiler, if you can call this a spoiler, and you can see how it goes down. This is really high. I'm tall, but comes above my knees. So let me just open the trunk for you guys, and as you can see, there is a lot of space. Now this is almost a flat bottom. Almost. I'm saying almost because it's not, but it's like if it is. So you can put this up. You can put a spare wheel inside. You can also, if you don't have a spare wheel, lower this way, and now you have a lot deeper space inside. You have more space. There's some holders here for some nets, over here for your bags, same on the other side, and over here you have some also holders. If you can extend this, and it's pretty spacious. On the top you get a triangle. This is a manual. It is kind of hard, but there you go. Nice design on the back. I really love the design. Of course, parking sensors on the back. This is the fake exhaust. Real pipe is on the left, as you can see. This is a petrol once more. T-Roc. I like it. I like the design of the car. It looks well. This is the petrol version. The car has a good protections, even if you go off-road, and on the bottom plastic as well. I'm gonna cut the video here because there are some customers inside, so I don't want to film them. Now, as it was mentioned, this is Croatian spec. This, for Croatian audience, this is the standard equipment, so this is the extras, and these are the information. Continuing outside, guys, since there's a lot of people that just want to see the new T-Roc in live, they want to sit inside and want to try it. This is the same design model. The other one, forgot to mention, is the sport model. Comes with a little bit better trim, but this car, you can see some pieces they feel cheap. Volkswagen was saving probably to add more safety features, which is the radar for pedestrians on the front. You got it on the top, lane assist, and you have adaptive radar on the highway, so it brakes, keeps distance in front of the other car, which is a great safety feature. So that was the price for some savings on this car. But if you get it on the sport package, I believe that you lose that feeling. Although the dash is a really I wouldn't save on that piece for Volkswagen, yeah. So guys, tell me in the comments, what do you think about the new T-Roc? Do you like it? What do you think about the design? It looks like I was completely wasting my time because there's a sport package as well. It was behind this part, so I didn't see it. So I'm gonna get into this one as well for you guys.